introductory video on multimedia and ICT. Good day everyone, I am Chris MC Tuyugun. In this video, we're diving into the exciting world of multimedia and ICT. ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Multimedia involves using various forms of media to communicate. Now let's talk about what is media. A multimedia. What exactly is multimedia? This this it's the combination of different context forms like text, videos, image, and animation, animation, and interactive content. Content. Think about think about your favorite website, video, games, even educational apps. They all use multimedia to create engaging experience. And now, let's talk about what is ICT. Unsa day ng ICT? Daghang nang tanong unsa ng ICT. ICT ICT, this is all about technology that is support communication and information. It includes computer o mag-computer ka, the internet, so mag-online ka go internet, diba di? Software, and all the digital tools we use over every day to connect and share information. Kaya sa cellphone, TV, radyo, pwede man na. Okay. The future of multimedia and ICT is incredible, exciting. We're seeing advancement in artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, and immersive technologies that will transform how we learn, work, and play. Kabaw na mo? Kabaw na tang tanan. Mabinawal ni. So that's a quick look of multimedia and ICT. I hope you learned something sa akong video. Thank you.